Hi students, in previous class, previous video, I already discussed the introduction of rational numbers. Today I will discuss about the properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. The first property is closure property. Closure property. The definition of closure property is if A comma B belongs to Q, if A comma B belongs to Q, A plus B also belongs to Q, or A minus B also belongs to Q, or A into B belongs to Q, or A is divided by B belongs to Q. This is closure property. If A comma B belongs to Q, A plus B belongs to Q. This is closure property under addition. A minus B belongs to Q, closure property under subtraction. A into B belongs to Q, closure property under multiplication. So, A is divided by B belongs to Q. This is closure property under division. Take an example. A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3. So, here A plus B is equal to A is 1 by 2 plus B is 2 by 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s are 3 1s 3 plus 3 2s 2 2s 4. That is equal to 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is belongs to Q. Yes, 7 by 6 is belongs to Q. Why? Because here 7 by 6 is in the form of P by Q. Here P is equal to 7, Q is equal to 6. So, this also belongs to Q. Next, the rational number satisfies closure property under addition. We conclude that rational numbers satisfy closure property under addition. Now, we go to subtraction. Here A is equal to minus 5, B is equal to 1 by 3. B is equal to 1 by 3. So, here A minus B is equal to A is minus 5 minus 1 by 3. B is 1 by 3. So, here minus 5 is can be written as minus 5 by 1. Here the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3 5 is 15 minus 15 minus 3 ones 1 into 1 1. So, that is equal to minus 16 by 3. Minus 16 by 3 is a rational number or not? A rational number belongs to Q. Why? Because minus 6 by 3 in the form of P by Q. Here P is minus 16, Q is 3. So, this is a rational number. So, rational numbers are satisfy closure property under subtraction. Now, we go to multiplication. Take another example. A is equal to 2 by 3, B is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. A into B is equal to A is 2 by 3, B is minus 3 by 4. Multiply these two, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 by 3 fours 12. So, 6 1s 6 2s, that is equal to 1 by 2. So, minus 1 by 2 is belongs to Q. S. Minus 1 by 2 is a rational number. Why? Because this is in the form of P by Q. Here P is minus 1, Q is 2. So, rational numbers are satisfied closure property under multiplication. Okay. Next, I am going to division. Here a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So is a is divided by b is equal to a is 1 by 2 is divided by 2 by 3. Okay. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is division symbol is converted into multiplication. Then the next factor is write the reciprocal of second fraction. So that is 3 by 2. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. So here 1 into 3, 3 by 2 2 is 4. 3 by 4 belongs to Q, belongs to Q. Yes. 3 by 4 is a rational number. Why? Because this is in the form of P by Q. Here P comma Q belongs to Q and Q not equal to 0. Okay. Take another example. Here A is equal to 2 by 5, B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. So A is divided by B is equal to 2 by 5 is divided by 0. Okay. That is equal to 2 by 5 whole by 0. Division with 0 is not possible, not defined. This is not belongs to Q. This is not belongs to Q. Why? Because this is in the form of P by Q, but Q not equal to 0. Here Q is equal to 0. So this is not a rational number. So the rational numbers are not satisfied closure property under division, but excluding 0. Rational numbers, in rational numbers excluding 0, the remaining numbers satisfied closure property under division, Okay, understood? Okay, next time discuss commutative property. The second property is commutative property. The definition of commutative property is if A comma B belongs to Q, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. A minus B is equal to B minus A. A into B is equal to B into A. A is divided by B is equal to B is divided by A. This is the commutative property. So if A comma B belongs to Q, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is commutative property under addition. A minus B is equal to B minus A. This is under subtraction. A into B is equal to B into A. Commutative property under multiplication. A is divided by is equal to B is divided by A. This is under division. Commutative property under division. Okay. Now I am discuss commutative property under addition. Take one example. A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So A plus B, LHS is equal to A plus B. A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3. Here LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s, 3 1s 3 plus 3 2s, 2 2s 4. That is equal to 7 by 6. This is LHS. LHS is 7 by 6. Next RHS. RHS is equal to B plus A. Here B is 2 by 3 plus A is 1 by 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 2 6, 2 2 4 plus 2 3s, 3 1s 3. That is equal to 7 by 6. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So rational numbers are satisfied commutative property under addition. Next time go to subtraction. Commutative property under subtraction. So here take another example. A is equal to minus 2 by 3, B is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so here A minus B is equal to LHS. LHS is equal to A minus B. Here A is equal to 2 by minus 2 by 3 minus B is 1 by 3. Here these are denominators are same, so LCM is 3. So minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3, that is equal to minus 1. So LHS is minus 1. Take RHS. RHS is equal to B minus A. So here B is equal to 1 by 3 minus of A is equal to minus 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 minus and minus plus 2 by 3. Here denominator is common, so 3 is the LCM. That is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 3. Okay, that is equal to 1. Here LHS is equal to minus 1, RHS is plus 1. So LHS not equal to RHS. We conclude that the rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under subtraction. Is it clear? Next I am going to multiplication. Here take another example. A is equal to minus 2 by 3, B is equal to 3 by 5. So here LHS is equal to A into B. A is equal to minus 2 by 3 into B is equal to 3 by 5. Here 3 cancel, that is equal to minus 2 by 5. LHS is minus 2 by 5. Next RHS, B into A. B is 3 by 5 into A minus 2 by 3. Here 3 cancel, minus 2 by 5. That is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the rational numbers are satisfied commutative property under multiplication. Under multiplication. Next time go to division. Take another example. A is equal to 2 by 3, B is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here LHS is equal to A is divided by B. Here A is 2 by 3 is divided by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 3. Here division is converted into multiplication, or write reciprocal of next fraction 2 by 1. So here 2 2's 4, 3 1's are 3, 4 by 3. LHS is 4 by 3. Next RHS, B is divided by A. B is divided by A. Here B is 1 by 2 is divided by A is 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 division is converted into multiplication, write reciprocal of 2 by 3. So 1 3's are 3, 2 2's 4. That is equal to RHS is 3 by 4. LHS is 4 by 3. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. So, rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under division. Next, we conclude that the rational numbers are satisfied commutative property under addition. Rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under subtraction. The rational numbers are satisfied commutative property under multiplication. The rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under division. This is commutative property. Okay, next time go to associative property. So the definition of associative property is, if A comma B comma C belongs to Q, then then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. First you add first two numbers, then you add third number, is equal to the add second number and third number, then you add first number. These two are equal. That is associative property. If a comma b belongs to a comma b comma c belongs to q, rational numbers under associative property under addition. Next, subtraction. Under subtraction, a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. This is associative property under subtraction. Next, multiplication. A into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This is associative property under multiplication. Next, division. A is divided by b divided by c is equal to a is divided by b is divided by c. Okay, this is associative property under division. Addition, take an example. Here a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so here LHS is equal to a plus b plus c. First we add a plus b. A is 1 by 2, b is 2 by 3 plus c is 1 by 3. First add these two, a plus b. So here what is the LCM of 2 by 3? That is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s 4. This is 3 plus 4 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Here 3 plus 4 is 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Again have to do LCM 6 and 3. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 3 1s, 3 2s. What is the LCM? 6. 6 1s are 6, 1 into 7, 7 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 1s 2. That is 7 plus 2, 9 by 6. 9 by 6. So LHS is 9 by 6. Next, RHS. This RHS is a plus b plus c. Here a is 1 by 2 plus b 2 by 3 plus c 1 by 3. First we had second number and third number. So 1 by 2 plus the LCM of 3. 3 is common, so LCM is 3. 3 ones are 1 into 2 2 plus 3 ones are 1 into 1 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 3. Okay. Here again how to find LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s 3 1s plus 3 2s 2 3 6. That is equal to 9 by 6. 9 by 6. Here LHS is equal to 9 by 6. RHS is also 9 by 6. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So rational numbers are satisfied associative property under addition. Under addition. Next I am discuss associative property under subtraction. If a comma b comma c belongs to q, then a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. Okay. Take an example. Here a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So take LHS is equal to A minus B minus C. So A minus B, A is 1 by 3 minus B is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. First do this 2, LCM is 3, 3 ones, 1 into 3, 1 into 1, 1 minus 3 ones, 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So here LCM is 6. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 2s are 2 ones, 2 minus 2 minus 2 3s, 3 ones are 3, that is equal to minus 5 by 6. So LHS is minus 5 by 6. Next RHS, A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. A is 1 by 3 minus B is 2 by 3 minus C 1 by 2. First we have these two numbers 1 by 3 minus, here LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 2s are 2 2s 4 minus 2 3s 3 ones 3, that is equal to 1 by 3 minus 4 minus 3 is 1 by 6. Okay. Now we have to find LCM of 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Is 6. So 3 2s, 2 ones are 2 minus 6 ones, 1 into 1, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 6. Here LHS is minus 5 by 6, RHS is 1 by 6. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. So we conclude that the rational numbers are not satisfied associative property under subtraction. Next time discuss associative property under multiplication. So here the definition of associative property under multiplication is, if A comma B comma C belongs to Q, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay. So take another example. A is 2 by 3, B is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, C is 2 by 5. Okay. So LHS is equal to A into B into C. Here A is 2 by 3, B is 1 by 5 into C is 2 by 5. Multiply these two first. 2 ones 2, 3 5s 15 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 2 2s are 4 by 15 5s 75. That is equal to 4 by 75. LHS is 4 by 75. RHS is equal to A into B into C. A into B into C. A is 2 by 3 into B is 1 by 5 into C is 2 by 5. First do these two. 2 by 3 into, here 1 2s are 2 by 5 5s 25. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 3 25s are 75. So LHS is 4 by 75, RHS is 4 by 75. That is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. So rational numbers are satisfied associative property under multiplication. So next time go to next time go to associative property under division. The definition of associative property under division is, if A comma B comma C belongs to Q, then A is divided by B is divided by C is equal to A is divided by B is divided by C. Okay, take one example. Here A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3, C is 1 by 3. Okay, so LHS is equal to A is divided by B divided by C. So here A is 1 by 2 is divided by 2 by 3 is divided by C is 1 by 3. C is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 2 division symbol is converted into multiplication into right reciprocal of 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Next, the reciprocal of 3 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. So here 1 3s are 3, 2 2s are 4 into 3 by 1 into 3 by 1. So that is equal to 3 3s 9, 4 1s are 4. That is LHS is equal 9 by 4. Okay. Next RHS. RHS is equal to A is divided by B is divided by C. A is 1 by 2 is divided by B 2 by 3 is divided by C is nothing but 1 by 3. Here 1 by 2 is divided by, first you have to do this, these two, 2 by 3 division is converted into multiplication. Next to write reciprocal of 1 by 3, that is equal 3 by 1. Okay. So 1 by 2 is divided by, here 2 3 6 by 3 1s 3. Again 1 by 2, the division symbol is converted into multiplication, right reciprocal of 6 by 3 is 3 by 6. That is 1 3 is 3, 2 6 are 12. Here RHS is 3 by 4, LHS is 9 by 4. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. So, we conclude that the rational numbers are is not satisfied associative property under division. Finally, have to conclude that the rational numbers satisfied commutative property under addition. The rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under subtraction. The rational numbers are satisfied commutative associative property under multiplication. Finally, the rational numbers are not satisfied associative property under division. These three properties are most important. So, rational numbers satisfied associative property, commutative property, closure property, commutative property, associative property. Next time next video I will continue that inverse property, identity property, distributive property.